everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will teach you how you can set up HubSpot in Trigger inside Pabbly Connect. As now, there is a new method of creating the connection in the trigger with HubSpot. So I've created this video telling you how you can create this setup super easily. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into how you can set up the trigger of HubSpot in Pabbly Connect. So now we're going to set up the trigger. I will add the trigger right over here, in which for the trigger application, I will select it as HubSpot CRM, and for the event, these are the events. I will select the event as new contact added. If you have any other requirements, you can select the event according to it. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. Now let's learn how you can add a new connection here. For that, click on this connect with HubSpot CRM button. As soon as I will do that, make sure that you're already logged into your HubSpot account on a new tab to create this connection super easily. Okay? After that, you will come to this window where you have to select the account that you want to connect to Pabbly Connect and choose the account from here. And as soon as you will do that, automatically HubSpot is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. That is how simple it is to connect HubSpot CRM to Pabbly Connect. So now as my event is new contact added, I have to enter the output properties that I want the response to be returned with. Okay, what properties response should come over here in this trigger right here. HubSpot is a polling based application. So that is why as soon as I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, the last contact that was created inside my HubSpot account is going to be captured in my trigger right over here. So the last contact that's created in this account is in the name of real user. Email is demo@pabblytunes.com. Okay, you will see this is the phone number right here. Okay, so these are the things I want to have the response of the first name of the contact that is added in my HubSpot account. I want the last name as well as email address and phone number. So now how can we select those properties in this field? Click on this field and you will see all the properties that can be available inside HubSpot CRM is going to appear in the drop down right here. I want the first name, so I will search for the first name right here, and this is the first name field. I want the response, I will select this field. In the similar manner, I want the last name, so I will search for the last name and select it. I want the email response to be captured, so I will select email, as well as I will select phone number right over here. So let me select it. These are the 4 fields response I want to capture in the trigger. You can select as many fields according to your requirements right here, and then simply click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I have done that, the response has been captured. This is the phone number ID. If we'll tarry the ID, you can see right over here in this URL. This is the ID 2060003000169. You can see the same ID is right over here. Email is demo@pabblytunes.com. You can see the email is demo@pabblytunes.com. The last contact that is added into your HubSpot CRM is going to be captured in the trigger right here. Okay. If I'll further scroll down, first name is real, last name is user. You can see real user. And over here you will also see for the phone number, this is the exact same phone number. You can see right over here in this contact. Okay, you can see the same phone number has been captured over here in the trigger. So this is how you set up HubSpot CRM trigger inside Pabbly Connect. It's super easy. Just remember to log into your HubSpot account already on a new tab, and then the connection will be super easy. Select the properties of which you want to capture the response in the trigger, and as soon as you will click on the save and send test request button, the last contact that is added inside your HubSpot account is going to be captured in the trigger. Okay, so this is how you create this amazing trigger setup in Pabbly Connect of your HubSpot CRM. Okay, so this was it for this video. If you have questions or doubts, comment down below. I will solve each and every query that you have. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.